And this week's theme on Imagine Dollies is nature. And as you can see, I'm in nature. Yeah. So basically, for this theme, I will be just hanging out in nature, and I'll show you around as like a nature vlog or something. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's this nice lovely tree, and it's very nice. Oh my god, bokeh. I love bokeh. Let's touch the bokeh. Let's touch it. Oh yes, that's very nice. Oh my god, it's so amazing. And then we have a tree over here, and then we have another tree over here, and it has lots of beautiful views. And then there's some grass over here, and then more leaves, and more leaves over here, and more grass and dirt and stuff. And yeah, man. So yeah, thanks for watching this week's video. See you next week on Imagine Dollies. Bye. Nature is awesome. I mean, like, look at that bokeh. Look at it. Look at it. Like, OMG, guys, I just, like, got this leaf randomly on my head, like, OMG. OMG. I have a leaf on my head. Okay, it's gone. Officially, bye, guys. I'll see you guys next week on Imagine Dollies.